we'll guide you through how to change the light theme in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once you have it open, look towards the bottom left corner where you will see a gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on this gear icon. You will see a menu pop up, and from there, you need to choose the option labeled Themes, then Color Theme. When you click on Color Theme, a list of available themes will appear, and it will show you a preview of how each theme looks. You can use the arrow keys or mouse to scroll through the options. Look for the themes that are labeled as light or have a lighter background. VS Code typically comes with a few default light themes such as Light Plus, Quiet Light, or Solarized Light. Once you find a light theme that you like, simply click on it to apply it immediately. If you decide you want to try a different one, you can repeat this process and choose another until you find the one that suits your needs best. Remember, you can always install additional themes from the VS Code Marketplace if you're looking for more variety. Just go to the Extensions view, search for themes, and install the ones you like. Customizing your theme can make your coding environment more comfortable and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.